So this is the system we developed to help us onboard a new client in less than 2 minutes of work. Why we developed this system? Because we had a client come in and he had like 60 videos, and then we didn't know how to organize all the videos and we didn't know how to manage them. So the problem was we were talking about a specific video and they were talking about another video, and this miscommunication was the catalyst for us to start developing this new system that we have right now. And then once we had the system, onboarding a new client was a pain because we had to replicate every single Zap on Zapier. It was a whole mess of rerouting everything, putting in the new folders, the new access, everything else. So then we thought, like, what's the best way for us to have a system that we can manage not only one client, but like 100 clients, 200 clients, 500 clients, and don't have like a big issue with this. And this is one of the main differences from a vertical to a horizontal system. What we had, each and every automation for each client was like a horizontal system where each new client, we had to replicate everything that we created for that new client. And then the system that we have right now is a vertical system where each client will be inserted into the system, and then each automation, it will run automatically through the system without the need for us to come in and automate every new client. So without further ado, this is the client insertion forms, where this is the form that we have. It's basically the client's name, the start date, and the client email. Then the client will come to the table. Then the only thing that we create here is the client name and the client email and the start date. Everything else, the share drive ID, the ClickUp folder, the frame folder ID, content creation drive ID, publish drive folder, every single thing here is created by the automations on Zapier. So basically, when the record is added to the table, we create a frame client project. We create the final approved folder in the frame. We also create the shared drives on Google Drive. We add the client to the shared drive through the email that he provided on the onboard form. And then we create all the folders inside Google Drive. All these folders are the folders that we use to organize all the content that we produce, all the videos, all the ads, everything. And then we also create a table where we will keep track of each ID of the video. So let's say we create a video, like a short form video. So it's a SV001. Zapier manages all the tables here to short form, long form, ads, short text, and long text codes that we created. And also it creates a ClickUp folder where we'll manage all the projects inside ClickUp so that the project manager can help the editor. Yeah, so basically, this is the onboarding process and all the automations that we have on Zapier right now. In the future, we might want to take this off Zapier and build our own infrastructure. But for now, that's it. So let me know in the comments if you want to see a deeper dive on any automations here.